Finding profitable dropshipping products requires a combination of market research, trend analysis, and understanding your target audience. Here's a concise guide. Identify niche markets. Focus on specific niche markets where you have knowledge or interest. Niches with passionate audiences often lead to better sales. Use dropshipping tools. Utilize dropshipping tools and platforms like Oberlo, AliExpress, or Salehu. These tools help you discover trending and popular products. Analyze market trends. Research current market trends and seasonal demands. Keep an eye on social media, Google Trends, and industry publications to identify emerging products. Competitor analysis. Study successful dropshipping stores and their product offerings. Analyze customer reviews, social media engagement, and pricing strategies to understand market preferences. Check product reviews. Look for products with positive reviews to ensure customer satisfaction. Consider products with a substantial number of reviews, indicating demand and reliability. Evaluate profit margins. Calculate potential profit margins by considering product costs, shipping fees, and your pricing strategy. Aim for products with healthy profit potential. Consider evergreen products. Include evergreen products that have consistent demand throughout the year. These items may not be trendy but offer steady sales. Test products with ads. Run small-scale advertising campaigns to test the market response. This helps assess product viability before committing to a larger inventory. Understand target audience. Know your target audience and their preferences. Tailor your product selection to meet the needs and interests of your potential customers. Stay updated. Continuously monitor industry trends, customer feedback, and product performance. Adapt your product selection based on market dynamics.